Every work has got to pass through hundreds of difficulties before succeeding. Those who persevere will get the light sooner or later. By these inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda, let us start our today's morning assembly. So good morning to one and all present over here. Today I, Rudraksh Joshi, on the behalf of class 11th A, standing here to conduct today's morning assembly. So firstly, I would like to call Bhaiya Daksh Tiwari for the thought of the day. Good morning. So the thought of the day is dedication, consistency and self-regulation is the easiest path of success. I repeat my thought, dedication, consistency and self-regulation is the easiest path of success. Thank you and have a thoughtful day ahead. Now for the English term, I would like to call Bhaiya Animesh Saraswat.
Good morning everyone. Today's term is prosperity. It can be spelled as Prosperity. I repeat, Prosperity. Its meaning is wealth. Our sentence can be framed as mental prosperity only comes when you learn to respect your elders. Thank you.
अब हिंदी शब्दकोश के लिए मैं भैया अक्षय प्रताप को बुलाना चाहूँगा।
सुप्रभात। आज का हिंदी शब्द जो है मर्मज्ञ, जिसका अर्थ है रहस्य को जानने वाला। मैं फिर से दोहराता हूँ, जिसका अर्थ है रहस्य को जानने वाला। इसका वाक्य में प्रयोग है भारतीय जीव वैज्ञानिक बहुत मर्मज्ञ हैं। धन्यवाद।
Now to increase your knowledge, I would like to call Bhaiya Pragat Dikshit for the facts.
So facts are as follows. First, letter J is the only letter which doesn't lie anywhere in the periodic table. Second, machine gun was invented by Richard Gatling, a USA scientist in 1861. The longest war in the world's history was fought between England and France, which was called the 100 Years' War. This lasted from 1338 to 1453. Universal Automatic Computer, also termed as UNIVAC, was invented in 1952 and was the first computer used for professional business purposes. Sharks can smell a single drop of blood while being 1,000 kilometers away from it. Thank you.
Now for some headlines, I would like to call Bhaiya Krishna Tyagi.
Good morning all of you and thank you Rudraksh. Let's start with some international news. Hezbollah launches deepest attack on Israel. The war stretches for 200 days since October 7th. Hamas armed wings call for escalation across all fronts. People rush to collect airdrop supplies. 21 migrants died and other 23 are missing. After a boat carrying 77 people capsized off the coast of Djibouti, according to USA. Let's start with some business news. China extends lead over India in gold bar and coin investments. Some sports news. India's Gukesh challenges world champions and boosts Indian chess scene. LSG beats CSK, Gaikwad and Stoinis get some ton for their respective teams. Let's get to some national news. Supreme Court tells Ramdev to apologize publicly with the same manner as he displayed his acts with the misleading way. Supreme Court also gives a judgment over the Article 39A of wealth redistribution. Thank you all of you.
Now to check your knowledge, I would like to call Bhaiya C. Pratap.
Good morning all of you. My first question goes to junior section. Who is the Indian wicket-keeper batsman with 0 centuries out of Asia?
MS Dhoni.
What? Ayushman. Bhaiya Ayushman gives the right answer. Please clap for him. My second question goes to mid-section. Who is the father of nuclear physics? Mid-section. I repeat my question. Who is the father of nuclear physics? The right answer is the fourth. My senior section. When was Niels Bohr awarded the Nobel Prize? I repeat my question. When was Niels Bohr awarded the Nobel Prize?
1922.
Clap for him. Name the scientist who discovered the oxygen gas.
Joseph Priestley.
Bhaiya J.P. Yadav give the right answer. Please clap for him. Name the bowler who took the 19 wickets in the single test match.
Yeah.
Name the bowler who took the 19 wickets in a single test match. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Stand up. भैया दूसरे पार्टी give the right answer. The right answer Anil Kumble. Please clap for him.